Hello, my name is Helen Rebecca Garber. I am a nurse practitioner in Ulster County, New York. My case numbers are EF 2023-2255, Ulster County Superior Court, case number CV-250594, Appellate Division of the 3rd Department of New York, and file number 35828, Family Court of Ulster County. I am a victim of court abuse. I have lost primary and joint custody of my daughter to my abusive ex-husband. My case involves judicial misconduct, erased testimony, including a 200-page transcript that was removed from the record, and 3 witnesses who testified credibly to witnessing my ex-husband's behavior. The final decision states that my ex-husband and I were the sole witnesses to testify at trial. Additionally, 48 exhibits have been removed from the court record. It has been verified that they exist, yet my ex-husband's attorney, Elizabeth Faulkner, the attorney for the child, Heather Harp, who has been recently reappointed as my guardian ad litem, my own attorney at trial, George Redder, Judge David Gandon, and his court clerk all refused to turn over these exhibits and are trying to starve my appellate record. My case also involved falsified evidence, including false prescription. My old expired prescriptions were stolen by Mr. Gillis and Ms. Faulkner and photographed to present me as a drug addict. I endured a day and a half worth of testimony based on this. Some of the prescriptions were over 11 years old and unused. Including that, my daughter was removed by Ms. Faulkner writing an order stating that that was obtrusive, and that my attorney assured me gave me joint custody. And then Ms. Faulkner and Ms. Harp on the record both presented this order as 50-50 custody, and forced me to sign a stipulation agreeing to this in open court, as the judge threatened me with further custodial loss if I did not sign. I did not realize that I had lost primary custody and it had been given to my ex-husband until a week after the trial. My ex-husband also falsified his financial records and hid over $100,000 worth of legal fees that were provided to him by his father, Dr. Alan Gillis of Coffeyville, Kansas, and his friend Sam Hahn of Manhattan. Due to this, I have been forced to support my abuser. I am paying him up to 65% of my paycheck, which has been garnished, to pay him alimony, legal fees, and child support based on a number Judge Gandon used of $203,000, going over the cap for no reason. I doubled my income in the year of litigation because my ex-husband was funded and I had to take on 2 jobs just to fight the false allegations against me and keep me out of being incarcerated and losing total custody of my daughter. Recently, my ex-husband has filed a false assault charge against me and filed a family offense petition. He has also withheld medical care for my daughter for the past year, only agreeing to allow her to be seen by doctors chosen by attorney Elizabeth Faulkner. Ms. Faulkner has used these doctors in multiple other cases. They are doctors Danielle Sigliano, Dr. Valerie Sprints, and Dr. Jessica Acker at Optum Lake Katrine offices, pediatric office. He refused to allow my daughter to see 14 other neutral pediatricians. They are attempting now to gain documentation to file an emergency order for full custody, stating I am a danger to my daughter. She has psychiatric issues because of my parenting. This is a silver bullet technique Ms. Faulkner has used in all cases, many cases, to remove custody from the other parent and extort further legal fees. Ms. Harp, despite 3 complaints to the Attorney Grievance Committee and 2 protests, has been reappointed as my daughter's guardian ad litem, despite the fact that she does not actually appear on the roster for guardian ad litems in Ulster County until she was just reappointed. So she has not worked in this capacity for the past 10 years until Ms. Faulkner, in ex parte communications, maneuvered to have her reappointed. My name is Helen Rebecca Garber. I am a victim of court abuse by the Ulster County Family and Superior Court, and I demand an investigation, and I will not stop until this is exposed for myself and all the other parents in Ulster County who have gone through tremendous trauma, lost their children unjustly, and have either been dragged through court abuse until their children age out of the system, have been financially destroyed, and have been traumatized to the point where some of them have actually died due to the actions of court officers such as Ms. Faulkner and Ms. Harp. I demand an investigation. My name is Helen Rebecca Garber. Thank you so much.